Hello everyone, I'm Chelsea Rogers with Wireless Dealer Magazine here at CTIA 2013, and I'm here with Isaac and Joe with ERG Distributors. How are you today, guys?
I'm doing fine, thank you very much.
Great, thanks for being here, and how are you?
I'm doing great.
Great. Isaac, why don't you give our viewers a little bit of background on what your company does?
Okay, ERG is a distributor primarily in the cellular-related market. We sell products from from the audio products, power products, and all cellular-related accessories. We deal with a lot of brand name products, but some of the lesser-known brands which we have been bringing to market over the last 2 years and had some successful product launches, and provide our customers with great quality products, competitive pricing, and give them the ability to be unique in their space.
Awesome. And what new and exciting products did you guys bring to CTIA this year?
Okay, so two of the products that we are showcasing in CTIA, one of them is the Noontech Zoro HD, which is a headphone.
Which I heard a second ago, and it's amazing, by the way.
Yes, thank you very much. So the company Noontech actually is a company based out of China, which has been making headphones for quite some time. We had initially started with the Zoro, which is the, I guess, first generation headphone. Had some great reviews in the CNET, PC Mag, did some excellent reviews in the products. It does extremely well. And then now we launched the Zoro HD. The Zoro HD is a 40 millimeter driver headset with superior sound quality. It's passive noise canceling, and is something extremely competitive. Price-wise, for comparable products, it's about 50% below MSRP from similar products. And as far as quality goes and sound goes, customers have had extremely positive feedback. This is a $99 retail price point. Comes in 3 colors. Comes in black, white, and red, as you can see here. Has a fold-up design with piano finish, expandable, and a detachable cord with a on-off button and a microphone for phone calls. We also have another brand of products, and I'll pass it on to Joe, who is our product manager. And we have a company called Urge Basics, a product line, and this is one of our new products that we're selling.
Great, thank you. Hello, Joe.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, how are you?
Fantastic. So a little bit about Urge Basics. Basically, we've come up with a lineup of very, very unique product in the cellular area. Today we're here to tell you about one product which is our new tablet holder. And basically it's a very small and compact piece that can fit into a briefcase, fit into a purse, and is very, very comfortable. As you can see here, it's on my hand. It's adjustable with 2 different strap sizes, so it fits the iPod, the iPad, any tablet size. And today a lot of people are carrying them around, especially at work. Restaurant people, they're taking orders on tablets today. So it's movable. So it turns around, it makes, any position very easy to operate. It's easy so that you can walk around with it, walk on the street, what have you, and you have some kind of security. And the best part about it is the retail price. It retails for $29.99 retail, and it comes in a, color gift box, what have you. And we expect to launch this in June, and I think it's going to be a great item. So look for it at retailers everywhere this summer and back to school.
That's great. It really seems like a really wonderful piece. Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
And why don't you tell our viewers how they can find out more information about these wonderful products?
You can go online to our website, www.ergdistributors.com, for that, and you can also contact us through the website for additional information on any of the products in our line.
Great. Thank you guys so much for being here with us today.
Thank you very much, Chelsea.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thanks.
And I'm Chelsea Rogers with Wireless Dealer Magazine.